Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be kind of getting it all done. I have some cooking I need to do. I have some errands I need to do. I need to go pick up a super small grocery order. I need to get dinner started. I am making pasta sauce for dinner. I need to just do like some basic cleaning, and I need to make breakfast sandwiches, like a bunch of random stuff. So I figured I would take you guys along with me and we can get it all done together. So first things first, I'm gonna go pick up my grocery order, and I need to run in because I forgot to get an onion to make my pasta sauce. So I need an onion, and I forgot hot sauce. I made a big batch of buffalo chicken dip like 3 times last week, so I didn't realize that we flew through all of it. So I have to run in, grab those 2 things, and then also pick up my grocery order. I will share that with you when we get back, but the kids are both in school. It is a late start to the day. It's 10:30. I've been doing some computer work. I have been just like kind of doing like a lot of like back end stuff, and also I am applying for like a few work from home jobs. So I was working on all of that, and the morning kind of got away from me. Usually I get up at 6. I was up at 6:30, but I didn't get up and work out. So I did a killer leg workout the other day, and my legs are still sore. So I'm gonna do an upper body workout, but I'm gonna do it later on. So Austin has football tonight, so like I said, I wanna have dinner ready, and I have to do, it is Thursday. Yes, today is Thursday. So today is like my deep cleaning the kitchen and the fridge, which is perfect because I have the groceries to put into the fridge already. So I will share with you my grocery haul when we get back. But if you guys are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join my little family here on YouTube. So I'm gonna head to the grocery store. I'll see you guys when I get home from the grocery store. And I don't know why I continue to do grocery pickup ever at my local grocery store, because it's always a mess. It's always like super disorganized. I have to wait forever for them to come out. Like I check in on my phone, I have to call like 15-20 minutes later. Like I get people that are understand, like I totally get all that, but it's like every single time they're out of everything. But when I go into the store, like I find everything. So that's what's annoying, because I'm like, nope, they actually have all of these things that they said that they didn't have. So anyway, it is what it is. Blended, what is this? I don't know, some weird kind of yogurt. But I only got a small amount of stuff. So let me finish unpacking everything, and then I will show you what I got. All right, so I got some strawberries, some Macintosh apples, some red grapes. They had a coupon for these and they were on sale, so I got them for the kids, and Kevin loved these, so as a treat for them. Spicy nacho flavor. I thought I just ordered regular Doritos to go with the kids sandwiches, but hopefully they like those. I got a couple of cans of tuna, some baking soda. These are just to put in my refrigerator. Some Greek yogurt for Layton's yogurt bowls. If you guys have been around for any length of time or seen any of my grocery hauls, you know Layton lives on dairy, so I always get this for her, and she puts like Cheerios and raisins and stuff like that in it. Got some more buffalo sauce like I told you I needed. I got these pita bread wraps that I'm gonna have this week for my lunches. I got an onion for my pasta sauce, and then I got 2 things of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So I'm going to cook some of these. I am going to shred them, like cook them up and shred them, and then freeze them for buffalo dip and for enchiladas and different things like that, taco bowls, whatever else. And then I'm going to separate the rest and freeze them. But I'm gonna get this all put away. I'm gonna make some lunch because I'm starving, and then I'm going to get cooking.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're watching it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Onion chopped up. I'm only going to use like a quarter of this for my sauce, but I just went to the garden and I grabbed some fresh basil, and look at this pepper, this green pepper that I had from my garden. So exciting. It's huge. It's like the biggest one that I got. So, and I have a bunch more still going out there. So, actually, let's go check and see if I have any tomatoes.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
The sauce is now all made. I put the fresh basil in. I put 2 jars. I had different kind of sauces. I have this organic roasted garlic. Actually, they're the same roasted garlic. I didn't realize that. One's just from Aldi and one's from Whole Foods. So then I put, for spices, I put some pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper, some garlic salt, some Italian seasonings, and a few red pepper flakes, and a little bit of sugar because I used some fresh veggies in here. So when I use the garden veggies, I put a little bit of sugar just because they tend to be a little more acidic. So we got all of that. I'm just going to put the cover on that and let that cook on low. I am so excited for dinner tonight. It smells so good already. Chicken breasts are ginormous, so I'm just going to shred one. And I'm going to use some of this organic chicken stock just to cook it in and let this just cook for a little while, just enough to cover it. I could probably fit one more in there, but I'll just do one for now.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Starting to bubble. I keep it on like medium to low heat until it starts like kind of really bubbling up, and then I put it on low and let it just simmer for the rest of the day. So good. The fresh basil. I think I have some parsley left too, so I'll top it with some fresh parsley once it's finished and we're ready to eat. So I got all this chicken separated and put in here. I dated it, and now I'm gonna go put that in the deep freezer. I still have not eaten lunch, so I need to do that. All of the breakfast sandwiches are made. I did 6 English muffin ones and 3 bagels. That's just what I had enough eggs and cheese for. So I have 3 more, so we'll just use those for breakfast. But so good. I just wrap them in wax paper and then foil, and then put them in the freezer, and they are delicious.
know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what is best for you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. Best for
we got everything that we wanted to accomplish accomplished. We got the groceries put away, we meal prepped, we got the kitchen cleaned up, the refrigerator cleaned out, and the laundry folded. So we got everything done with about 12 minutes to spare because the kids are getting off the bus here any moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you gave you some good motivation to get some things done around your house. If you did find this video motivating and you liked it, I would love for you to hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below. And if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.